This is just dry as no mayo, no butter, no nothing. Just bread and cheese. But you know what? I need this energy. And what a view. What a place to sit and have a little bit of breakfast. So I'm almost at the Welsh border where things have already started to get a little bit more interesting than yesterday. Yesterday was great. It was nice, easy trails, wide, fast flowing, not hard work at all. This morning it's straight into the hills, the rocky paths. But for me, it's going to be doing this alone and picking up my bike when I drop it. And I've had to do that once in some woods on a downhill slope. Wasn't so easy. I'm glad it's dry, because the Strat of Florida should hopefully be passable. Not done it before. I've heard a lot of things about it. And Bastard Lane, I'm hoping will, by the time I get there, stay dry as well, because I'm not looking forward to those rocks in the wet. But really, this is just a week of solo riding. Something I've not really done before. Anyway, back to my dry bread and cheese. Got some rocky steps, big steps, really big steps. Kind of not looking forward to this on my loaded up bike with no help. Oof, for a penny in for a pound. So the first half of the day has been actually really challenging. Hardest trails I've ever done on my own, especially on a loaded up bike. But when you come over the top and you see things like this, you think, this is why I do the hard stuff. I've been blown out my arse today. Absolutely made me work my arse to the bone. Not just trails like this, because these are actually not that hard. It's the rock steps, the declines, the narrow trails that catch your handlebars. The bushes are low, but when you get this, you go, you know what, it's all worth it for the hard stuff to get the good stuff like this. Perfect place for wild camping as well, but I'm nowhere near where I want to be tonight. Still got, oh, hello, no, not even at Port Talbot yet, and that's where I need to get to turn up towards the Brecon Beacons. That's where I'm hoping to be tonight. But the rate I've been going today, between filming and falling off and getting stuck, I'm nowhere near. Oh, what are we doing here? Okay, we're going to go down that bit. Oh, look at that, we've got a gate outside. Perfect. Oh, can I get through that gap? Yes, it's like going between two cars.
Yeah, so tonight I'm going to sleep well. I put my earplugs in because I've got lots of sheep barring around me. And day 3 tomorrow. I think I did 150 miles today. Quite a bit of road work, which was actually nice because I needed a bit of a rest. But if I can do 120, 130 miles a day, I'm hoping to end up finished around about Thursday evening. So Friday I've got the long ride back home, but we'll see what happens. I know it's all about well, cheers. I know it's about travel light, travel right, but there's some things that I really need in the morning, and instant coffee doesn't cut it. And this AeroPress absolutely rocks. It makes beautiful coffee. It's easy, it's clean, and it just takes up the space of a cup, which I'd have to bring anyway. So cheers to the boys at Lightweight Adventures, because they gave me the heads up on this. Yeah, that gets me going.
Right, so I have got to the infamous Strata, Florida. It's got road closed signs, but that's from the 28th and today is the 25th. So I am going to do it. I must admit, I'm quite pleased it's dry. And I've got a German guy behind me on a BMW RT, but I don't think he's following us. Lots of sheep about. God, they're daft. They just stood still. Let's go past. I've been graced with really dry conditions and I still went down. God, that was slippery. Gee. Oh, I've got to try and not going to be as easy as I think. I need to get the front wheel onto something hard. Oh well, there was me thinking I was having a good day. One, two. Oh wow, that was hard to pick up. I can't blind out my arse.
Nothing but my
day 4. Day 4 hasn't started how I wanted it to. I had a silly little fall yesterday afternoon. Bent my thumb back in the crash. Bent thumb back. Woke up this morning with a swollen thumb. Unable to really use it, and took a couple of strong painkillers. Haven't made a massive amount of difference, to be fair. Riding on the road's hard enough. I did a couple of trails and it's not good. It's an accident waiting to happen. I don't have the strength in the hand or in the thumb to grip, and especially standing up, it's not happening. So I've taken the hard decision to call it a day. I'm only kind of 2 days from the end of completing the Welsh part of the TET, other than the TET, which I was going to do another day because I just don't have the extra 3 days. So it's it's game over for now. I've ridden an hour and a half to the Welsh Venison Centre here, where I'm having a venison burger for lunch, and I've pretty much been just resting my hand on top of the throttle rather than putting my thumb around. It's painful. So yeah, until next time, the TET is over for now.